Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Lotto Max app. First, download the official Lotto Max app from your device's app store, available for both Apple and Android. Once installed, you'll need to create a new account or simply log in with your existing OLG credentials. Remember, for purchasing tickets, it's crucial to have your location services enabled, as this confirms you are within an authorized playing region. This ensures a smooth and compliant experience from the very beginning. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu and select Lotto Max from the list of available games. You can then choose your numbers in two ways. Either manually pick your 7 main numbers from 1 to 50 and one bonus number, or opt for the convenient quick pick feature to have the app randomly select them for you. You also have the flexibility to play for multiple draws, up to a maximum of 10 consecutive draws, saving you time. After selecting your numbers, carefully review your choices on the summary screen. When you're ready, confirm your purchase using one of your linked payment methods, such as a credit card or bank account. All your purchased digital tickets are then securely stored and easily accessible within the My Tickets section of the app. For added convenience, you can also set up push notifications to receive draw results directly to your mobile device, ensuring you never miss an update. Checking your results is simple. Head over to the Results section to view both current and past Lotto Max draw outcomes. The app automatically compares your purchased tickets against the winning numbers, highlighting any matches you might have. For smaller winnings, typically those under $1,000, the funds are automatically credited directly to your OLG account, ready for withdrawal or to be used for future purchases. Larger prizes require a different claim process, detailed within the app.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.